original power supply, this one, and now I will measure that we have 36 volts. Please show it. How do we see 36? Okay, continue. Now I put it here and take the vacuum cleaner, put it in a docking station, and you can see it doesn't show that it is charging. It doesn't declare charging, and if I press clean,
low battery, please charge.
you see it doesn't charge. It asks for charging, and if I wait even 2 hours, it doesn't charge. And the second thing you wanted to that I will show you is that this is the original power supply. You can see it's the original. I have it only about 2 or 3 weeks, and it stopped working. Thank you.